This is Nintendo Switch Lite. The customer brought it in, and he said he just need the charger port. So I did explain to the customer, there is a cases that's not going to be just the charger port, could be the charging IC. I see some cases it's the sound ICs go bad, and this I did see a cases after the charger port goes bad, we got no display. Like the same thing like this one, I already replaced the charger port. This is the old one. It's looking a little bit damaged inside, but when we plug it to the charge, so we take 5 volt 100 milliamp. The battery is not connecting, but the board is still taking 100 milliamp. Alright, let's use the thermal camera and see what is taking that 100 milliamp. Yeah, this area is getting warm. It could be the charging IC is bad. Yeah, the charging IC is bad. So we want to be sure which IC. Alright, this IC. Yep, nothing else. We can even check the capacitor around it and see if it's any short. That's okay. Yeah, this capacitor tested low. 0.00 something. G36 may have something. This one. Yeah, G36. Alright, let's check that capacitor that was testing shorted after we put a new IC. So it's a 0.5 now. It's not like before 0.00 something. Alright, let's check the it's a 9 volt, it works. Yeah, the chip is communicated fine with the charger and switching from the 5 volt to the 9 volt. It's been everything, it's work now. Alright, let's put it together and test the console. It's a 9 volt and 170 milliamp because the battery is very low. We can see the battery symbol. So let's give it a minute till its battery gets some charge, and it should be good to go. There, the console is on and is charging. Yep, it's at 2%. So this is all for this video, and see you again.